quite busy, isn't it? That's good. Wow, busy, busy, busy. Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Welcome to Bali.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And over today start from Legian Paradiso area. Let me show you around here. Wow, a lot of tourists around here. That's good, busy, busy, busy. Wow, quite busy, isn't it? That's good.
Yeah, I can bring you.
Hello. As I told you, I will make videos start from around Legian Paradiso until ground zero. It's not so much walking, but let me show you how busy Legian Bali today. This is Legian Paradiso. Altogether, we will see a lot of tourists in this area today on Raya Legian Street. Indian people. This is Legian Paradiso. It's quite busy, isn't it? That's good. Okay. Now we will make videos start from north until to the south at ground zero. Let me show you how busy Legian Bali today. Wow, future is over there. It's good. Welcome to Bali. It's quite busy over there. It's good. Okay, guys. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there are some people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Wow. Maybe I will cross the street to the other side and coming back to this side again. Okay, let's cross the street. Walking on the sun now because I want to be darker skin. Joke. Lol. Lol. I don't know how to say English. It's just a joke. Okay guys, let's keep continue walking on Raya Legian Street and let's see together how busy in this area today. Not so busy yet. Wow, future is over there at the front. That's good. BGS. You can have good coffee here. Mama's restaurant, German restaurant, open 24 hour. Mag-grind, I've been here. Numpang lewat, numpang lewat. Wow, quite busy. Wow, quite busy at the restaurant. That's good. Yeah, sorry. Okay guys, let's enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. But before that, I will cross the street again because in this side it's super hot. I must walking under the shadow. Wow, busy, busy, busy. Hello. Pet sport bar over there looks so busy. That's good. That's good, isn't it? It's quite busy over there. Pet sport bar. Is it correct? Pet sport bar. I hope this is correct, the video. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Raya Legian Street. Claudia Spa. Paradise Ink for tattoo. Not so busy, isn't it? Really sad. You see across the street, futurist over there. That's good. Welcome to Bali. I think he know me. Wow, at the right side, it's quite busy over there. Ayo, tutup, tutup. Even though really busy, I will keep continue video in this area on Raya Legian Street. Across the street at the right side, same. A lot of trees over there, few trees over there. That's good. This is Sun Island, Legian Bali. Wow. Also a few trees over there, it's good. Sun Island. Hello.
Hello,
Welcome
how
to
are
Bali. I'm good. How are you? Enjoy your holiday. Wow, they look so happy. It's good. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Raya Legian Street. Even quiet, let's make video in this area. Wow, dazzling during the sunshine. Dazzling, light rain. Strange. Wow, future is over there. Right side is Warung Mina. Indonesian food but tasty. A lot of tourists love that restaurant too. And this is 101 Legian. I've been have a breakfast in this hotel with my friend from Australia, Jay Marshall. Jay, wow, you've been in Bali, but I didn't have a time to meet you, to see you. So sad. Wow. Let's cross the street. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow. Back to under sun, under the sunshine. Wow, quite busy. That's good. And at the front we have a coffee pot.
We'll have a look and see what you got in here. Everything. Everything.
Enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. Coffee pot, Mel, your favorite coffee, your favorite coffee shop. I like this coffee pot because even for a small coffee pot, inside it looks so green. We got a lot of trees inside over there. Hello, coffee pot, Mel. So quiet over there, Milt. Over there. Ah. Over there. Iya, aman. Ingatan ah. Oke. Iya dodol lah. Tekin dia pun dodol yang ban. Telo. Telo. Telo bikin lah. Bikin malam kopi. Video aja ya. Halo. Let's cross the street. Wow, super hot in this area, in this side. Wow, a lot of trees over there too. That's good. Wow, busy, 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 busy. That's good. Ah, really hot today. Yeah, actually now we are nearby ground zero. Just around 200 meters at the front is ground zero. It's not really busy, isn't it? Really sad, so quiet. Hello, welcome to Bali. Yeah, finally we are in my video in this area. Even not really busy. I hope this video will give you an information about the update session at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Music, loud music in this restaurant. So I have to talk loud. My English. Yeah, Future is doing shopping over there. Is good. Yeah, another 100 meters. Is ground zero. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's some people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Legian Bali. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wow. Oh my god. So quiet, isn't it? Let me show you around here. Even the traffic empty. So quiet. Strange.